How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Dark mode has become a popular feature across many apps and devices because of its sleek look and its ability to reduce eye strain. Many users prefer to use dark mode in low-light environments, making it easier to enjoy content. If you're looking to enable dark mode on TikTok, we've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Benefits of dark mode. There are several reasons why you might want to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Here are some key benefits. Reduced eye strain. One of the most significant advantages of dark mode is that it can be easier on your eyes, especially in low-light conditions. It reduces glare and helps to minimize eye fatigue, allowing you to scroll through TikTok for longer without discomfort. Save battery life. If you are using an OLED screen, dark mode can significantly save battery life. With darker pixels consuming less power, you can extend your device's usage time, making it a practical choice for TikTok enthusiasts on the go. Aesthetic appeal. Let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. Many users simply prefer the sleek, modern look of dark mode. It gives a sophisticated vibe to the app and enhances the viewing experience. How to enable dark mode on TikTok. TikTok supports dark mode on both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible for a wide range of users. For iOS devices. If you're an iOS user, enabling dark mode on TikTok is a straightforward process. Open TikTok, launch the TikTok app on your iPhone or iPad. Go to Profile, click the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Access Settings, tap the three horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Find Dark Mode, scroll down to tap on Dark Mode under the Content and Activity section. Enable Dark Mode, you'll see options to switch between light and dark modes. Select a dark to enable dark mode on TikTok. Alternatively, if your iOS device is set to dark mode system-wide, TikTok can automatically follow this setting. System Settings, go to your iPhone or iPad settings. Display and Brightness, click on a Display and Brightness. Appearance, choose a dark to enable dark mode across your device, and TikTok will automatically adhere to this setting. For Android devices. On Android, TikTok doesn't have a built-in dark mode setting, but you can enable dark mode if your Android device supports system-wide dark mode. System Settings, open your device settings. Display, click on a Display or Display and Brightness. Dark Mode, toggle on a dark mode or a dark theme. This will enable dark mode across your device. Once dark mode is enabled on your Android device, TikTok should automatically adjust to match your system settings. Closing thoughts. Dark mode not only enhances your TikTok experience but also provides numerous benefits, from reducing eye strain to saving battery life. Don't let the bright screen bother you. Follow these simple steps to enable dark mode today. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.